If you're looking for a way to save time in the kitchen while still cooking delicious meals, a multi-function pressure cooker can be a great solution. These appliances combine several cooking methods into one device, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and much more without needing multiple pots and pans. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 3 best electric pressure cookers you can get right now. In the third, after testing the Midea 12-in-1, I found it to be a very versatile appliance that can simplify everyday cooking. One of the first things I noticed is how many cooking functions it offers in a single device. Instead of using multiple kitchen appliances, this pressure cooker combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice cooking, yogurt making, and more, which helps save both time and kitchen space. During testing, the 8-quart capacity proved to be very convenient, especially for preparing meals for families or for cooking larger batches of food. It's large enough to cook soups, stews, rice, or chili in generous portions. The stainless steel inner pot also feels durable and easy to clean, which is important for a device that will likely be used frequently. The preset cooking programs make the pressure cooker simple to use, even for beginners. With just a few button presses, you can select the cooking mode and let the machine handle the rest. During testing, meals cooked evenly and consistently, and the pressure cooking feature noticeably reduced cooking times compared to traditional stovetop methods. Another feature I appreciated is the advanced safety system built into the cooker. Multiple protection mechanisms help prevent overheating or excess pressure, which adds peace of mind when using a pressure cooker. The lid locks securely, and the overall design feels solid and reliable. However, there are a few small drawbacks to consider. Because of its large capacity, the cooker takes up a fair amount of counter space, which might be an issue in smaller kitchens. The control panel can also feel slightly overwhelming at first because of the number of available cooking modes, although it becomes easier to use after a few attempts. In conclusion, after testing the Midea, I found it to be a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that can significantly simplify meal preparation. The large capacity, multiple cooking functions, and user-friendly presets make it a great choice for families or anyone who wants to cook faster and more efficiently. While it requires some space on the counter, its versatility and performance make it a very useful addition to the kitchen. Secondly, after testing the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, I quickly understood why it's one of the most popular pressure cookers on the market. This appliance combines 7 cooking functions in one, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and food warming, which makes it extremely versatile for everyday cooking. During testing, the 8-quart capacity felt like a perfect balance for most households. It's large enough to cook meals for families or prepare multiple portions for meal prep, but still compact enough to fit comfortably on the kitchen counter. The stainless steel inner pot feels durable and distributes heat evenly, helping food cook consistently. One of the features I appreciated the most is the 13 smart cooking programs. With just one button, you can easily cook rice, soups, stews, or even desserts without constantly monitoring the cooking process. This makes it especially convenient for beginners who want reliable results without complicated settings. Another strong point is the speed of pressure cooking. Compared to traditional cooking methods, meals can be ready up to 70% faster, which is a huge advantage for busy days. The easy release steam switch also makes releasing pressure simple and safe after cooking. The cooker also includes multiple safety mechanisms, such as overheating protection and a secure lid lock, which makes using a pressure cooker much less intimidating. Cleaning is also straightforward because the inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, saving time after meals. However, there are a couple of small drawbacks. The control panel can feel slightly confusing at first because of the number of functions, and like most pressure cookers, it takes a little time to learn how long the appliance needs to build pressure before cooking actually starts. Overall, after testing the Instant Pot Duo, I found it to be a reliable and extremely versatile kitchen appliance. Its combination of speed, convenience, and multiple cooking functions makes it a great option for anyone who wants to simplify meal preparation while still cooking delicious homemade meals. And to finish, first of all, after testing the Ninja, I found it to be one of the most powerful and versatile multi-cookers available right now. What immediately stands out is its ability to replace several kitchen appliances at once, combining functions like slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, braising, baking, and more in a single device. One of the biggest advantages during testing was the large 8.5 quart capacity, which makes it ideal for families or for cooking large meals. You can easily prepare big batches of chili, pasta, stews, or even cook whole chickens. This makes it perfect for meal prep or for serving multiple people without needing several pots and pans. Another impressive feature is the triple fusion heat technology, which uses heat from the bottom, sides, and steam to cook food more evenly and up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. This helps ensure that meals cook thoroughly while still keeping great flavor and texture. The removable cooking pot is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds a lot of flexibility. For example, you can start cooking a dish in the cooker and then finish it in the oven for a crispy top. The non-stick surface also makes cleaning quick and easy, which is always a big plus after preparing a large meal. During testing, I also appreciated the simple controls and multiple cooking functions, which make the cooker easy to use even with its many capabilities. The included glass lid and multi-use utensil add extra convenience for everyday cooking. Of course, there are a couple of minor downsides. Because of its large capacity, the cooker does take up a noticeable amount of counter space. It is also slightly heavier than smaller multi-cookers, which may matter if you need to move it often. Overall, after testing the Ninja, I found it to be an excellent all-in-one cooking solution. Its large capacity, powerful heating technology, and wide range of cooking functions make it a great choice for anyone who wants a versatile appliance that can handle everything from simple meals to large family dinners. To conclude this, top 3 best electric pressure cookers. Each of these models offers great performance, versatile cooking functions, and features that can make preparing meals faster and easier in your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a simple and reliable cooker, a versatile all-in-one appliance, or a larger model for family meals, one of these options should fit your needs perfectly. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.